How you going? My name's Ben Harris. I am a jack of all trades and unfortunately a master of none. I've tried my hand at many things. Most of them I've failed at. But that's alright, because there are two things that I'm actually good at. One is understanding people, and two, understanding the Bible. So I'm not putting this channel together for any kind of notoriety or fame or trying to make my millions off of YouTube. What I'm actually doing is trying to capture some sort of creative outlet that merges the two things that I'm actually good at. Now, there's so many reaction channels out there. I don't actually want this to be a reaction channel, but more of a commentary channel where I give a biblical perspective about anything from music to sermon snippets or even political type stuff. At the end of the day, what have I got to lose, right? I've been an avid student of the Bible for the last 15 years. I haven't been to seminary. I didn't have someone sit down and explain scripture to me. It's just something that I love. And I spend a lot of time in study. So, if you're actually after a biblical perspective, and far be it from me to be the authority on what is biblical, but if you're after a perspective from someone that puts the teachings of the Bible before some form of religious systemic way of thinking, and you're interested in music, interested in sermons, and sometimes a bit of political stuff, this might just be for you. This is the first video I've done for this channel, and I guess it won't be the last. But if you like what I'm putting down, then come along for the ride.